Hello. Yeah. Hello, everybody. Good afternoon. So you all know why am I here today? Don't know. Yes, so I'm here to share on 2 products that can help with your digestive system. So can you all guess what product is? Enzymes? No. Sorry? Oh, okay. Actually, there's a hint, there's some clue. The video that you see just now. Yes. So today I would like to share on, firstly, Manuka Honey. Okay. So some of the history of honey. Anybody knows any history of the honey? So actually, honey has been used for more than 10,000 years to treat health problems such as indigestion and other common problems. So there are some evidence as shown on the picture there. So it shows that even 10,000 years ago, honey has already been introduced. So in ancient Greek actually used honey to treat fatigue. So the athlete would consume a mixture of honey together with water before major sporting, so to boost their energy level. And also a book which is part of the Qing dynasty from around 220 BC ago said that those who often consume honey can keep fit. And honey can cure indigestion, and it can be used in medicaments to bind ingredients together. Okay, so the World Health Organization, WHO, actually recommends honey as a natural cough remedy. And honey also contains various compounds which are beneficial to our health, such as polyphenol, amino acids, polysaccharides, organic acids, flavonoid, aromatic, trace mineral, trace vitamins, and enzymes. So, and also phytonutrients, which are actually a compound found in plants, which protects them from harmful insects and shield them from ultraviolet radiation. So the phytonutrients in honey are actually known to be responsible for the antioxidants property and also antifungal qualities. So how is Manuka honey different from regular honey? Anybody knows? Does anybody know what's the differences between regular honey and what's so special about Manuka honey? Okay, thank you. So I shall share some of the differences. So the main differences is actually Manuka honey contains the natural antibiotic Methylglyoxal, which is the MGO. So MGO is actually derived from the conversion of dihydroxyacetone, DHA. This DHA is different from the fish oil, okay? So it's not the DHA in fish oil. So the higher concentration of MGO equals stronger antibacterial properties. So the Manuka honey flower, which is the Leptospermum plants, grow best in Australia and New Zealand. So this particular flora can be only found in the pristine environment and is where healthy bees collect the most unique pollen and nectar in the world. Okay. So in the market, you can see Manuka honey with MGO something plus, UMF 5 plus, 10 plus, 15 plus. So do you know what is this MGO and UMF about? So both are actually measuring the MGO content. So both MGO and UMF are certified and trusted Manuka honey grading system. So the centerpiece of the Australian Manuka honey rating system, the AMHA, MGO testing process, actually measures the MGO content and the DHA content. So for example, if the Manuka honey is MGO 830 plus, means that the Manuka honey has an independently certified concentration of at least 830 mg per kg of MGO. So for the regular honey in the market, I mean a regular honey, they actually only contains very low MGO content, ranging from 0.4 to 5.4 mg per kg. So what is the grading of our Manuka honey? How much MGO, sorry? Yes, 830 plus. So which means if you compare it with the regular honey, it's 100 to 1,000 times. So it's really a lot, right? Okay, so as you can see at the table there, so we have the normal MgO 83, which is suggested to use as an everyday table sweetener. Then we have our MgO 263 or 550, is for general well-being. Whereas for Atomy Manuka Honey, we have MgO 830, which is the super premium grade. And it can help in digestive health. So it has medicinal properties. So anyone here have irritable bowel syndrome? Nobody? Anyone here have bad oral health? No. Anyone have sore throat now? During this period, please be careful, sore throat, please don't come. Okay, so if you have this symptom, don't worry, Manuka Honey can help you. So how does it help? So firstly, it helps to improve your digestive system. Regular consumption actually decreases the symptoms of IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, such as constipation, diarrhea, abdominal pain, irregular bowel movement. It can also help to soothe your sore throat, and it reduces inflammation and attack the bacteria that cause the pain. Not only that, it also helps to coat in the inner lining of the throat for a soothing effect. It can also help attack harmful oral bacteria associated with plaque formation, gum inflammation, and tooth decay. Not only that, it can also help to treat gastric ulcer caused by bacteria H. pylori that causes stomach pain, nausea, and bloating. So besides consuming Manuka Honey, you can actually also apply to your skin. So if, let's say, you have some cut or you have some burn, you can actually apply it on your wound because it aids in wound healing. So only high-grade Manuka Honey, okay, that has these medicinal effects. So it helps to amplify the regeneration of tissue and decrease pain in patients suffering from burns. So the high viscosity of the Manuka Honey actually provides a protection barrier on the wound and preventing microbial infection. And if you have acne as well, it will be very helpful for you. So the antimicrobial activities can help keep the skin free from bacteria, so which can expedite the acne healing process. Okay. So what is so different between our Manuka Honey and to the others Manuka Honey in the market? So firstly, it's originated in Australia, which is one of the most pristine locations in the world. So as you may know, due to geographical location, Oceania is actually an unpolluted territory. So they are very rich and abundant in natural ingredients. And it's home to healthiest bee in the world. Why is it so? Do you know why? Yes. So Australia is the last remaining continent which has not been infected by the varroa mite, a disease-carrying parasite that attacks and feeds on honeybee. What does this mean? So this means that our honey does not have any chemical or insecticide used during the production. So that's why it's very pure, natural, and clean. Then next, so as Australia actually produces a large amount of Manuka honey because of the flowering season, it's quite extensive. And also the climate conditions are steady and favorable. It also home to more than 80% of the Manuka flower, and Atomy Manuka Honey is actually produced by contractor bee supplier. They have farms in 2 different locations, so which guarantees an abundant and stable supply of Manuka honey. So lastly, the different Leptospermum flower found in Australia contain a large amount of DHA, so which results in a high level of MgO. Yep. So, and our supplier is a reliable supplier. Why is it so? So it's actually having a partnership with the Australian Manuka Honey Association. It's funded by the Australian Agriculture Department. And it has collaborative research of Manuka honey cultivation between Australian National Park and Australian universities. So they have their Manuka research facilities and professional research personnel. So every batch of Manuka, Atomy Manuka honey actually got done through thorough testing. So the quality is guaranteed. Okay, so these are some of the certificates that a manufacturer have. So we have the AMHA Marks of Authenticity, which is for the MGO level. And we have the MGO cert. Some of food safety related certificates such as HACCP and BRC. And it's made in Australia from 100% Australia ingredient. And lastly, it's halal. So it's suitable for everybody. Okay, so how do you take Manuka honey? So you can actually have it just by its own. You can take 1 to 2 tablespoons, maybe at least 15 minutes before food or drinks. Or you can make it into a very nice drink. Mix it with water, or you can make honey lemon water. Mix it with water and honey. And lemon juice, sorry. So actually there's no harm in consuming more than 2 to 4 teaspoons of Manuka honey. But because it's still considered as a honey, so the sugar content is actually high, as in there's sugar content to it. So that's why it's a good idea to moderate how much you can consume. Yep. So not only you can have it by its own, you can mix it in water, you can actually pair it with your food as well. Yep. So you can make to a very delicious salad dressing. So you can combine it together with vinegar and oil to make this very delicious salad dressing. Yeah. Then you can also mix it together with your yogurts and berries. Or anyone like pancakes here, waffle, toast. You can also drizzle Manuka honey on it. Yeah. Lastly, oatmeal usually is very bland, no taste. So you can actually sweeten up with Manuka honey. Yeah? Okay. So do you all know why am I sharing this? I guess everybody know, right? Yes, Singapore is bringing in Manuka honey. So we are selling Manuka honey. Stay tuned to our webpage to get the latest updates, okay? So we are selling in 1 bottle, and we are also selling it as a set of 2 bottles in a very nice, presentable gift box. So you can give this gift box of Manuka honey to your honey. So your loved one, your family, your friends will all love you.